Okay, hang on a second here. Is it recording? Is the red light on, Rodney?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay then. Action.
What do you want for your birthday, little leader?
Maybe a nice board game.
Cut. That's not your line, Lucy. You're supposed to say,
I want to have Flippy the Dolphin perform at my birthday party.
and you have to say it like your little leader.
Benson, do I have to do this?
Yes. Mom went to the store and said, I am in charge, and this is what we are doing while I am in charge. Plus, you're the only one that fits in the little leader costume.
Who would ask for a dolphin for their birthday? It's so dumb.
But that's just it, Lucy. You have to figure out what motivates little leader. Why does he act like he does? Why would he ask for a dolphin when the nearest dolphin is all the way across the universe?
Well, unlike me, he probably gets whatever he wants.
That's right. And how does that make him act?
Pretty bad. He probably throws a fit when he doesn't get what he wants. And I'm sure he keeps asking for bigger and bigger things because he feels entitled to them.
You got it, Lucy. If you ask yourself questions about the character, you will understand his motivations.
I have a question. Why would Great Leader send Scout Ship 7 to Earth to steal a dolphin? That seems like a big waste of time and rocket fuel. Why not just get Little Leader a board game?
That's a great question. Do you think Great Leader would ever admit that something Little Leader asks for is too much?
No! Great Leader is always busy, which I'm sure he feels bad about. So he probably wants to get Little Leader exactly what he asked for in order to make up for it.
Right on. Great Leader wants to do something special for Little Leader's birthday.
And Little Leader always asks for difficult gifts.
And Great Leader is too proud to say no.
It's like what the characters do in the movie is based on what kind of people they are.
And the things they say and do drive the action in the movie. I get it.
Oh, actors! Okay, let's do this, people.